Too old.
And how old is he gonna get? That's the question.
What color is the bird?
Green. It's green and blue.
I thought you liked green and blue.
No, see, I thought she was an animal lover, and then said the bird was the guy.
Now I have
bird. Steve, if that bird's ever missing, I'll give you a clue.
Oh, yeah, freezer. Freezer. Yeah, freezer.
Look in the bathtub. Or the toilet. Or something.
One
Oh,
time,
yeah.
when my
Gumbo.
children were small,
Gumbo parrot.
my son had this canary.
Gumbo.
So my daughter comes into my bedroom and she said, Petey is dead. I went, oh no. So my son, he's not home. So Megan and I go out. I said, okay, I'll get a sandwich bag and you go get the little fireplace scoop, the little shovel. We're going to go out and we're going to bury Petey. So when Vic walks in, he doesn't discover Petey. Just okay, so we go out. So now we both want to get this. We don't want to tell him. We don't want to have. Neither one of us wants to be the one to tell Vic that she's dead. So finally, Vic, my son, comes into my bedroom, and so I knew that I had to tell. And I'm the mom, you know. I have to tell him. So I said, honey, something happened today. Petey kind of passed to the. He said, "Oh, I know. He died 2 days ago." And